Hello parents, Mrs. Papson here with another helpful homework video for you. I did not do an example video last night intentionally because I wanted to see what the kids had really absorbed during class. And it's given me a better kind of idea of what I need to make sure I hit on today and work on where the misconceptions are. So now that I've done that, I am going to make you guys a video because I know this does not come naturally. It is a little confusing when you first look at it. So tonight the kids are going to be able to use this diagram. The homework is going to look exactly like this. And I'm going to be having them fill in the numbers before they leave today so that they have their problems. So for example, if we were going to do 45 plus 27 using the breakdown strategy, well, the first misconception that I saw a lot on last night's homework was that the kids are taking this 45, writing a 40 in here, and completely forgetting about the 5. In this case, we are only breaking down one number, the second number. The first number we are just going to leave alone. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our 45 here. Now in this number, we're going to break it down into tens and ones. So again, if your child has trouble telling which place value is which, you can have them make their chart. You could also have them draw the place value blocks if that is helpful to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Either way is going to help them to see that 2 tens is equal to 10 20. So I'm putting my 20 here. My 7s are going to stay the same because we cannot break our 1s down any farther than they are already broken down. So we're going to put our 7 there. Now you will notice that these lines are leading over to this blue circle. So that means I need to add these two numbers together. So I can say to myself 45 plus 20. Well, if your child is not sure about that, they can use that handy dandy hundreds chart that I sent home earlier. I believe that was last week. Or they can say to themselves, okay, I know there are 4 tens and I have 2 more tens to add. So that means I'll have 6 tens and then I just have my 5 ones because that hasn't changed. And I have my 65. Then I'm going to add my 7 here and do 65 plus 7 equals 72. Now the expectation tonight is that they are taking the same problem and they are doing it with a different strategy. So again, they're going to take that same problem and they are going to do it on the open number line as well. So remember, when we're using the open number line, we want to start with the bigger number because that makes less work for us later. Now again, I got to break that 27 down so that I can see that I have 2 tens and 7 ones. So if I have 2 tens, I can make 2 hops of 10, making sure each time I hop that I am labeling my hop. So I'm going to have 55, 65. So I've done my 2. Now I have my 7, and I could add 7 if I wanted to, but if I am going to make this a little easier for myself, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop 5, because 5 is going to get me to a friendly number, and at that point I can just say, oh, now all I need to do is 2 more, and 70 plus 2 is going to give me 72. Okay, so the expectation for homework tonight is that they are doing 2 separate two of the same problem 2 different ways. So really they only have 2 problems to do tonight. They're just doing it in 2 different ways. Please do not hesitate to email me, contact me through Dojo if there's anything I can do to make this easier for you, and I hope this video was helpful. Bye-bye.